Hey everyone, this is Saoirse Agashemus from the Dover Museum in Dover, Kent, and we're over here looking at a Bronze Age boat that's 1550 BC as when they dated it to, so it's 3,500 years old, and it's really fascinating. It's the oldest boat, like a large boat that they've ever found anywhere in the world, so that's really exciting. I know we found the log boats that are 4,000 years old in Ireland, in the Boyne and Owen and Boyne, near Newgrange. But this is the oldest big boat that they found so far, even older than the Egyptian ones. So this shows a little bit of the tools that they made to work with making the boat. And they tied it together with yew rope, which you can see some replicas here, and see how they made it. And then over here on this side, you can see past the climate control, you can see the replica, part of a replica that they made. They actually made a water-worthy replica and went out into the bay here with it, or the channel. So over here is the actual boat. Now I'm not sure if it'll show up in the video, but here's what it looks like, and I'm sure you can go online and find better pictures of it. Again, it's from 1550 BCE, and it's 9.5 by 2.4 meters. It's made out of 4 oak planks that are held together by wedges, and then also the yew rope that they made, which is stronger than hemp or anything like that. So I wanted to share that with you. There's a lot more at the museum here, but I thought this was the best bit because it's Neolithic and time period and such. And of course, they do have some Celtic stuff done there, so that's good too. So anyway, just want to share that. So Sinead Gafal, Slán